How to use ChatGPT to help grow healthy dogs. Here are some tips to help grow healthy dogs with the help of ChatGPT. 1. Proper nutrition. Dogs require a balanced and nutritious diet to maintain their health. You can consult with a veterinarian to determine the best food and feeding schedule for your dog. 2. Exercise. Regular exercise is essential for keeping your dog healthy and happy. Depending on your dog's breed and age, they may require more or less exercise. ChatGPT can help you determine the appropriate amount of exercise for your dog. 3. Socialization. Socialization is crucial for your dog's mental health. Dogs that are not properly socialized may exhibit fear, aggression, and other behavioral issues. ChatGPT can provide advice on how to properly socialize your dog. 4. Regular veterinary care. Regular veterinary care is essential for maintaining your dog's health. ChatGPT can provide advice on how often your dog should visit the vet and what kind of preventive care they may need. 5. Grooming. Grooming your dog regularly can help keep their coat and skin healthy, as well as prevent infections and other health issues. ChatGPT can provide advice on how often your dog should be groomed and what kind of grooming products to use. 6. Training. Proper training is essential for your dog's safety and well-being. ChatGPT can provide advice on how to train your dog and what kind of training methods to use. 7. Preventative measures. There are many preventative measures you can take to keep your dog healthy. This includes things like vaccinations, parasite prevention, and dental care. ChatGPT can provide advice on what preventative measures are recommended for your dog. 8. Mental stimulation. Mental stimulation is important for your dog's overall well-being. This can include things like interactive toys, training exercises, and games. ChatGPT can provide advice on how to provide mental stimulation for your dog. 9. Safe environment. Providing a safe environment for your dog is essential for their health and well-being. This includes things like securing your backyard, keeping toxic substances out of reach, and providing a comfortable living space. ChatGPT can provide advice on how to create a safe environment for your dog. 10. Love and attention. Finally, providing your dog with love and attention is crucial for their mental and emotional health. Spending time with your dog, playing with them, and showing them affection can help keep them happy and healthy. ChatGPT can provide advice on how to show your dog love and attention. Here are some reputable sources for dog health. American Kennel Club, AKC. The AKC is a well-known organization that is dedicated to the welfare of dogs. They provide a wealth of information on dog health, including articles on various health conditions, preventative care, and nutrition. American Veterinary Medical Association, AVMA. The AVMA is a professional organization that represents veterinarians in the United States. They offer a variety of resources on pet health, including articles, brochures, and fact sheets. Merck Veterinary Manual. The Merck Veterinary Manual is a comprehensive resource for veterinary professionals and pet owners. It offers detailed information on a wide range of health conditions and treatments for dogs. The Canine Health Foundation. The Canine Health Foundation is a non-profit organization that is dedicated to advancing the health of dogs. They fund research on various health conditions and provide information on preventative care. Cornell University College of Veterinary Medicine. Cornell University is home to one of the top veterinary schools in the United States. Their website offers a variety of resources on dog health, including articles, videos, and webinars. Tufts University Cummings School of Veterinary Medicine. Tufts University is another top veterinary school in the United States. Their website offers a variety of resources on dog health, including articles, videos, and podcasts. PetMD. PetMD is an online resource for pet owners that provides information on various pet health topics. Their website includes articles on dog health, as well as a symptom checker and a library of pet health videos. VCA Animal Hospitals. VCA is a network of animal hospitals that provide veterinary care for pets across the United States. Their website offers a variety of resources on dog health, including articles on various health conditions and preventative care. The Humane Society of the United States. The Humane Society is a national organization that advocates for the welfare of animals. Their website offers a variety of resources on dog health, including articles on nutrition, behavior, and health conditions. Rover.com. Rover.com is an online platform that connects pet owners with dog walkers, sitters, and other pet care providers. Their website includes articles on dog health, nutrition, and behavior, as well as a library of pet care resources.